Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve this problem over here. So we have to find the value of, this is the question over there. So now here what we can see, here this is 1. So we have to take the LCM of this one, that is going to be x plus 1. So here into this will be x plus 1. So in the numerator also that will be multiplied by, you can also put a bracket over here. Same over here we can put a bracket. Here will be x plus 2 will be the LCM, here 1, here 1, here 1, everywhere. So this is going to be x plus 2. You can put a bracket over here. Same here, it will be x plus 3. So in the numerator as well as in the denominator, you are going to put x plus 3. For here, the LCM is x plus 4. So in the denominator and the numerator, you are going to put x plus 4. So now what you can see here, 1 multiplied by x plus 1. So that is going to be x plus 1. So here this 1 is as it is and the denominator is x plus 1. Same here, this is x plus 2 plus 1. Denominator is x plus 2. Same here, this will be x plus 3 plus 1. And the denominator is x plus 3. Here it is going to be x plus 4 plus 1. And the denominator is x plus 4. So now what you can see here, x and this 1 plus 1 becomes 2. That will be x plus 2. Denominator same. Here it is going to be x plus 3. Denominator this is the same. Here it is going to be x plus 4. The denominator the same. Here it is going to be x plus 5 and the denominator the same. So now what we can see, this is nothing but this is multiplication. In between there is a multiplication sign. So this and this gets cancelled. This and this gets cancelled. And this gets cancelled. So what remains here is just x plus 5 and x plus 1. So this is the final answer. So please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get the other parts. Thank you.
Make sure to subscribe to help me grow.